Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a customizable plaque for your home, you need to check out this one. This is from NOAHAMMER. It's completely customizable and we're super pleased with how well that it came out. Once you place your order, you can easily work with the company, even doing multiple messages so that you can very easily get your customized sign. It was really easy to work with them and the sign came in within just a couple of weeks. I really love the beautiful design on the sign. They got the font perfectly and it's really well made. It's a sturdy metal that comes with all of the hardware that you need to put it up on your home or wherever you're going to place it. You can see the sign is made out of that beautiful black matte metal and it has all of the details that you need to make it perfect for your customized sign. We're so pleased with this and it looks really beautiful on the home as well. It was very easy to put up and now we have our address really clearly marked for all of our deliveries and for company that might come by. Getting our customized sign was super easy. Really happy with how well that this came out, and working with NOAHAMMER was a really simple process so that we could come up with our beautiful sign. But that's just my point of view.